Hi, I'm Sam. I'm a CVT here in DoveLewis ICU. This is Theodore. I'm going to be giving this little guy an injection under his skin, a subcutaneous injection. This is Enoxaparin. Unfortunately, we have had an issue with Theodore here where, as you can see, he's non-weight bearing on his right thoracic limb. He has a thrombus in this limb, so he's thrown a clot. Enoxaparin is a blood thinner. So this is going under his skin, like I said. If you want to get in closer here, I can show you. A lot like sub-Q fluids. I'm just going to tent his skin. There's a very small volume right here with just an insulin syringe. Hi, buddy. I'm going to inject here. He has pretty thick skin. Pull back to make sure I'm not getting any blood, and then inject. And then make sure that there's nothing on my glove so that I didn't go through and through. And then we're all done. We're all done.